Hello and welcome to today's video. I'm going to show you how you can create reels straight from your live streams, and it's very easy on Facebook. So I've got mine open right here. Here is our live stream. You just click the three dots and you hit create reel. Now here's going to take you to a menu, which is awesome because it's done all the transcriptions for you. When we want to do short form content, or there descriptions so people can read it easily. But what you can do is you can drag this little bar, find the exact spot you want in your live stream. And I don't have time to find that spot right now. But once you click it, you can find in the timeline your particular transcription. And what you can do is click next. And you go through that process. And at the end of that, you'll be given the option to post this reel onto your Facebook page. That's incredible because it's all done on Facebook itself. You don't need a video editing software. It's all built on the website itself. So if you want to get quick, short form content, and right now Reels is trending on Facebook, this will get high exposure and engagement for your content. So I highly recommend have a looking at this today. Get on it. Don't look at my video any longer. Go and do it now and check it out. It's easy. It's free. And just get your content out there now. Thanks for watching.